We're having an epic picnic day. We've got backpacking with Jason here. Clint Moore. Emily's Thrive Journey is here. Budget Bushcraft is here. KYNightstalker is here. Of course, the beautiful and lovely Monica, the amazing sandwich maker, is here, and myself. Man, we got lots of good stuff to show you today. Even big fish were caught.
Did you get it on film?
The big fish? I did.
Full of energy!
Full of energy! So she didn't get on the live broadcast this morning, but this is Emily's Thrive Journey. Clint Moore's wife. Awesome. Check it out. Check it out. You know this beautiful sandwich maker. This is Monica. She's sporting the brand new Find Your Adventure Feyrer Jr. t-shirt. This will be available soon, very soon. You guys are doing awesome. You disappeared for the live broadcast this morning.
We did.
Disappeared.
We were playing cornhole.
Cornhole. It's a noble effort. Hey!
All right! Yeah! Ah!
Look at me.
You caught stick,
Not big,
Michael.
it's great.
You caught stick.
I did get a stick.
Bigger than this dude. I got it.
Well, that's a big fish though.
And Kentucky Night Stalker gets it again.
And back in he goes.
There you go, man.
Watching you.
Anybody ever seen? Call me old-fashioned, but I've never seen night crawlers as green.
Look at that. That's
I
ridiculous.
don't know. Do you know why? I've never seen a third. Come on.
What are they
I don't
feeding
think
us?
it's just because it's in the dirt.
And
I've
you know
dug
what?
up plenty of night
Your
crawlers.
fingers are probably going to glow in the dark too.
I'm
That's crazy.
gonna go to a restaurant tonight. I hope this comes off my hands. Have a little dinner.
Yes, we're gonna get to meet Dot tonight. So that's gonna be epic. That's gonna be just
My
awesome.
super hot girlfriend.
Absolutely. This is the only way I can look taller. If you don't know Clint Moore, you're doing something wrong. You gotta check him out. He does a fantastic vlog, mostly daily, amazing artwork, and a live broadcast at 4 o'clock every single day, Eastern Standard Time. As you know, the only legitimate time zone. Now, this is Greg from KYNightstalker. Now, Greg has been the most successful fisherman today. What sort of bait did you catch that massive bass on?
Bread.
I've never seen anybody who's able to actually pack bread on the hook and have it stay. So he's got a secret formula to this whole thing. You're gonna have to teach people in your videos how to pack that bread so it stays on there. Because I've never seen anything like that, man.
It's actually a good idea. Thanks for video idea. It's awesome.
There you go, man. That's what collaboration is all about.
Oh yeah, man. Emily's Thrive Journey.
That's the
Man,
one.
Subscribe, Bill. Thank you.
That's right.
Oh no.
Now this guy here is Budget Bushcraft. This is his second day hanging out with us here. Today we're fishing. Yesterday we went and watched football. But check out Budget Bushcraft's channel. It's good stuff. He's got a great sense of humor. Lots of funny stuff. I'm not sure you call it family friendly all the time, would you?
No.
Probably not.
No.
Probably not. His channel may not be as family friendly as mine, but if you're in for a good laugh, you want to check it out. And he hasn't caught anything. All the stuff that Budget caught today was before I got here. He was the early riser this morning fishing. And you caught like 3 fish this morning, didn't you?
Yeah, but they were all like less than the size of my hand.
No, but he's due. It's coming. And I'm going to get it on film. Look at all the cuteness going on over here. Is it really tough to be this cute? Or does it just come natural? No, it's not hard? What a day. So backpack with Jason, fishing all day. We got Budget Bushcraft all the way over there. He is hot on the trail of a giant catfish. Waiting for that to happen. And then we've got our aspiring vlogger right here. What's your name?
Adele.
Adele. Adele, aspiring vlogger. I'm telling
You saw
you,
me on camera.
look out for that vlog. I'm sure it's coming.
And it's a...
It doesn't get any better than this. This is one of the most amazing days that you can spend as a YouTuber. Just hanging out with friends. and talking YouTube and whatever else comes to mind. Actually, there hasn't been too much YouTube talk.
No, actually, hardly none at all.
No.
But I hope you've enjoyed Kentucky.
Oh, Kentucky. Kentucky's fantastic.
I'm taking 100 pictures.
Oh, probably.
I am.
Why don't you video Michael videoing you?
Yes. She got maybe a couple pictures of me. There might be a couple.
I will show it.
Hey!
Hey!
We're going out to dinner with Backpacking with Jason. We're gonna finally get the chance to meet the famous Dot. I'm pretty excited about it.
Me too.
We're gonna take you guys along, okay? All right, I hope you don't mind.
See you there?
We had an amazing dinner with Backpacking with Jason and his fiancee Dot, and of course Monica. And this place is Malone's in Lexington, Kentucky. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Jason,
Oh,
thank you so much.
oh
man,
no, happy
for
birthday.
hanging out. Well,
Happy
thank you.
birthday dinner.
Thank you. I'm turning 28 tomorrow.
There's 28 tomorrow.
It's gonna be epic.
We still haven't hit our 30s yet either. I mean, we're still waiting on it, so yeah.
Keep waiting, guys. Keep waiting. Do me a favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure like we are, and have a great day, and I'll see you soon.